things. I'm going to apologies first of all. I've never used WeConnect either before, but I'm going to sign up and see if I can figure out on the spot for using it for the Deep Matter campaign, and see what happens. So for the Deep Matter campaign, we're going to be using the Dino account. So let's have a look at, for the Watify campaign. This is Watify. See what happens here. Hopefully that doesn't throw me an error for I'll be WeConnect. So it's syncing with LinkedIn now. And I'm just going to pause while this syncs. Okay, guys, so I've logged into WeConnect now, and my understanding is that we need to import. So let me just figure it out now. Let's log this in. Hey guys, so I'm in WeConnect right now. So here you've got the messaging functionality, new outreach, and you can set it up here, as you can see. Takes a minute to load, but you can add the messaging in the settings, select campaign, invite new connections. Campaign name will be one, select prospects, save search. So we'll go back to the save it for later, Watify batch 1, and then this is the campaign manager, but we'll go into adding new people here. And we'll go to, this is add new LinkedIn accounts. Sorry, Playboard. Not Playboard, I beg your pardon. Okay, here we go. List, not list. Gosh, my network. Search, sorry, I beg your pardon. Here we go, search. So CSV import. Click to upload. We'll go to the text AU stuff I sent here. This is uploading. Save that. Profile, yeah, so map that next. This name, into phase 1, this type, second and third connections, and status. I'll pause that while it sorts itself out. As you can see, it's uploading these, and these are second and third degree contact requests. So hopefully it doesn't have too many third degree, but we'll see what happens once it's finished uploading. We've got in that sheet like 1,300 people or something like that. Let me have a look. So it should be enough to run with. It's got 480 people, which is would do for something like 20 to 30 a day. So should be good enough for a phase 1 campaign. I'll let it keep uploading, and I'll pause it until it's done. Okay, so it's finished now, as you can see here. Contact status completed. And let's just see what actions does. Save search results. Okay, brilliant. So we've got the people here now. So let's just do a test messenger campaign. So we go to LinkedIn accounts. I presume it's this one. Campaign manager. No, maybe it's that one. Nope. Messaging. We'll go at the top anyway. We'll go to messaging. Newest. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure this out as I go along for the first time. Save list, that's templates. Campaign manager. Okay, so we're going to here for the campaign. Magento, invite new connections, select prospects. We'll go to Magento phase 1, go to save and continue. So add test, add step, test. Ask them about the, hi Alex. Is there a way for you to determine in a list who is second and who is third degree? Only second degree. This is in reference to the quantify list. Just added in count equals to select hours. Okay, so use checklist. So anyway, we've got the initial campaign here. We've got the initial select hours, follow up message 1, and then it's follow up message 2, and then test. Just do sample invite, sample follow up. That's quite cool. Sample follow up. Okay, so that's that part. That makes sense. Then we'll go to save and continue. Set time today for follow up messages. 1 day. Cool. So do that. Save and continue. Settings, daily invite limit, daily message limit. So we'll do daily invite limit like 25, daily message limit 20, which is quite cool. Default time. So this is the same things as we've seen before. So we'll save that 8 till 5. We'll set that local time zone, which would just be in the United States. Save and continue. Ready to launch. Okay, cool. So that's that part there. We save that for later. So that would be how you launch a campaign. We'd want to also put, of course, deep matter into here. Let's just see if we can add deep matter into here. So user management, Dino, admin, LinkedIn accounts. So that hopefully there's a way to add more APIs and integrations, authentication, configure webhooks, create new webhooks. Okay, so I need to understand how to do the Zapier integration, but maybe don't worry about that for now. The main thing is that we just get it running. So I'll pause this video because this will be video 1 for how to use WeConnect. I hope that makes sense, and I hope this is enough for you, Skylar and Anthony, to launch the campaign with Whatify. Thank you.